In today's video, we're doing an in-depth latex hood review featuring an Etsy latex brand called MaskinX. Alongside of that, I'll also be teaching you how to absolutely perfect your next rubber doll look using a super easy 5-minute cat eye technique. Ready to slay? A lot of you have been asking, where do I get my latex hoods from? Where can I get a quality latex mask that's affordable, that ships to my country, in the latex sheeting color that I want? And to be honest, it can be a big challenge finding a quality latex hood at a price point that we can all afford. That's why I decided to try out this Etsy latex brand, as I'm sure quite a few of you have been very curious about. I've been reading all of it in your comments. This is a mask in latex Etsy latex hood. And I'm very, very excited to share with you guys all of my thoughts about this hood and whether or not I think it's even worth it for you to consider Etsy latex at all. But before I talk to you about that, before I reveal the true secret of Etsy latex, let me show you how to get this bomb cat eye on your next latex hood night out. So actually, the brand that I am wearing for today's latex hood, guys, this is a hood that I purchased from an Etsy latex Kleedung brand. And this hood is actually from a brand called MaskinX. So I saw that they have a number of big eye hoods and like cat eye hoods, and that's what I really like, especially when I'm doing makeup for you guys and and doing these like latex mask try on videos for you. So yeah, I was really attracted to it. I thought it was beautiful. And also, one of the big points to purchasing latex Kleedung on Etsy, going for an Etsy latex brand, is that you're oftentimes going to find a much more affordable price point than you would if you were to use one of these typical or one of your go-to bigger names in the latex Kleedung industry. The eyeliner that I'm going to be using today is a liquid eyeliner. And this is actually from NYX. This is their Epic eyeliner, Epic Ink eyeliner. And guys, this is like an Amazon find. This is a drugstore find. This is not gonna cost you more than $10, and this is the only liquid eyeliner you will ever need in your life. When I tell you that the felt tip on this, like the pointed tip, I don't know if you guys can really appreciate that, but the pointed tip on this, it's perfect for a cat eye. You'll see it in just a moment. So now I want to show you guys kind of the fundamental steps of accomplishing your rubber doll look, your next latex mask look. If you're trying to do a classic sexy cat eye, and as I said, this could work if you're wearing eyeshadow, it could work if you're just bare-eyed and you just want to look a little bit more latex doll-esque, you want to look a little bit more dolled up, this is a great way to do it very, very quickly. So one of the first things that you want to do, and this is true anytime you're doing a cat eye, whether you're in the latex hood or not, right? One of the first things that you want to do every time that you pop your cat eye on is that you want to basically follow the line. I'm staring at myself. But you basically want to follow the line like that your lower lid is creating, drawing all the way up. So you see that line, like my lower lash line? That's basically what I'm following. That's what I'm imitating right here with this eyeliner. And that's what you're gonna do every single time you do a cat eye. Do not point it up here. Do not point it down there. Do not be, wiggling and imagining lines onto your face. No, okay? The good latex gods have given you everything that you need to put together a perfect rubber doll look just in and of yourself naturally, okay? Don't create lines that don't exist. Just follow the lines that are already on your face, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. As I said, we're following that little line of my lower lash and just extending it upwards. So I like to, I'll And there we go, guys. So that's kind of going to be the foundations. That's the first line that we're starting with today. And I kind of, it's not a perfect cat eye line, but it doesn't have to be, because what I will also tell you is that your cat eye can be as big as you want it to be, literally. And when you're wearing a latex hood, especially like this hood, this is the Maskin Latex. Let's continue with our latex hood review, right? So this is the Maskin Latex. This is their biggest eye hood available. It has big, round, circular eyes, not quite cat eye shaped, and it has this very lovely shaped mouth that I've really been enjoying. I think that's actually really attractive. So, and it is transparent. I'm getting those lips out for you guys. It is transparent smoky black, which is, I know, a color that we all love almost as much as we love black. So, you know, it works for a lot of things. The only thing is I wish it was a little bit more of a snug fit, I will say that. But in any event, okay, so we got the first line for our cat eye down, right? And what I was attempting to do, but I kind of messed up, was getting as close as humanly possible to the lash, the upper lash line. So you really just want to be following that line exactly. Again, guys, do not create lines that don't exist. There's no need for that. You were made a perfect rubber doll as it is, okay? So we're just following the lash line. Again, no scientific work here. And now that we have line A and we have line B, all we gotta do is just go ahead and connect them. So wherever you see the point connecting, and I like to start again from the tip of the cat eye and then bring it all the way in. So let me get straight for you guys. Okay, so guys, look how good that is already. Isn't that amazing? And so all I have to do now is just fill in like any empty spaces. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill that in. Okay. And I was just very quickly straightening up the line in that one area. But as you can see, look, you just achieved an absolutely perfect cat eye for any latex hood look, any rubber doll look, literally within minutes. And as I said, this is a perfect cat eye that's gonna work every single time, whether you have the latex hood on or not, whether it's a latex Kleedung night out or not. This is the cat eye go-to. Save this video, like the video, comment on the video, because you're gonna watch this again and again, I'm telling you. So now that you kind of see what I did on this side, right, I'm just gonna match it up and do it on the second side, so therefore, you know, you can see one more time what we're doing and we can kind of review and do it all over again. And let me, I guess, finish up my latex hood review on Maskin Latex, just in case you guys were curious about copying this hood or any other hood that they have available on their Etsy store, which, by the way, they have lots of different items available on their Etsy store. I would definitely, you know, go check it out. Like, you know, why not? Check out a lot of these Etsy latex brands because, you know, basically what I'm trying to tell you guys is don't sleep on Etsy latex. It could actually be really, really good. This might not be my absolute favorite mask, but there's a lot of beautiful aspects about it that still make it very, very worthwhile. So, all right, real quick, let's just finish up our cat eye. I'm not gonna talk as much this time. I want you guys to really focus in and look at what I'm doing. And I wanna show you actually in real time how quickly you can achieve your next rubber doll latex hood look. So let's do this. So again, we created our line, right? And again, just following the same length of, you know, basically where the lower lash line is going. We're just extending all the way up from the lower lash line. I don't care where the line stops. I just tried to get it to stop basically where the line had stopped on the other side of my face. Like, you'd be surprised. Achieving the perfect cat eye for your rubber doll look is technical, but not nearly as technical as it seems. You'd be surprised. It's technical in some ways, but in other ways, it's a lot actually very, very intuitive. So we did that one side, right? Now we're going to, how am I showing you guys this side? I'm trying to figure it out. So we did this side. Well, we did this side. So we're gonna finish up this next side, right? Really, really quickly. So let me show you again. Now we're gonna start from the inner corner of the eye and we're just following the inner corner of the eye all the way around. Now here's the thing, I went up pretty high on this eye, in that area. again, I made a mistake, and as I said, the good thing is that your cat eye could be as big as you want it to be. I mean, this is something that's really good for any beginner to latex cleat-on or latex hood, latex mask, because you know, it's an achievable makeup look for pretty much anyone. So you know, we just want to try to match it up. So I'm trying to go a little bit bigger on, you know, this side to match up the second side. And then, as I said, nothing, you know, nothing too complex. Just let your brush, you know, complete the lines. So do you see that? How effortless that was, guys? I mean, this is just amazing. Because I know that so many people try to do a cat eye and they're so confused as to how to do it and how to do it well. It doesn't have to be that complicated, sis, I'm telling you. Look at that. And then same thing that we did as before. We just fill in any of these areas that, you know, are lacking color. Yeah, just to be totally certain that, I don't know what I was talking about before. Oh, I like to apply a little bit of eyeliner, like really close to my lashes, just to get them as dark as humanly possible and to make sure that there's no like weird spaces, that we're just getting a really nice black, luscious, deep, juicy cat eye for our rubber doll look. So guys, I mean, that's it. Literally, that's all you have to do to get your perfect cat eye down and to do pretty much a 5 minutes worth of, you know, a look whenever you're wearing a latex hood. And this is without any lashes. As you saw, I pulled it off in the beginning of the video, so that means that you could really make your latex hood look so popping and your rubber doll makeup look absolutely amazing. And it really doesn't have to be very complicated, guys. Just go ahead and pick up this NYX Professional makeup and, you know, let it be. And again, if you're curious about any other Etsy latex brands and anything that you'd love to see me review, like another latex hood review you'd love to see me do on this channel, head over to JheanelleCorine.com. You'll find my wish list, which literally shows you all the different juicy latex items that you could order, and you'll get a perfectly made exactly to your specifications custom video made just for you wearing the item that you pick up. I could also very easily review the item for you, and I know that all of our YouTube, our whole fam would definitely appreciate every gift that you make. So head over to JheanelleCorine.com if you're looking for my wish list, or also Poshmark, where you can pick up numerous discount luxury latex items, clothing items, everything, you name it, head over there. It's all on JheanelleCorine.com. And most importantly, if you guys have not already become a VIP member, then definitely upgrade your membership. Get the very best latex try-on content available on YouTube by tapping the description box, clicking become a member, and literally upgrading to the VIP status that you deserve. So thank you so much, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, that you learned something out of it. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll talk soon.